This thing's like loud.
Oh, that's loud, man. What? Dude, that's a bit much, bro. Oh, dude, that highway poles are gonna be freaking insane on this thing.
Downtown, I was like, I'm trying to chill.
What the heck? Dude, that's insane. Was it, you put long tubes?
Long tubes with catless mids.
What long tubes again?
BBKs.
BBKs? Yeah. With catless, eh? But you have cats, right?
Oh yeah, no,
yeah, you got cats.
They're high flow cats.
High flow cats? Yeah. Okay, perfect.
Inline. You can't really see them.
Hang on, I get a video of that. I love it. That's so loud, man.
Hey, put the smile on my face.
So what'd you do?
Long tubes, catless.
Oh,
Cold air intake.
Cold air. Change the oil.
change the oil. That's on that thing are big, right?
Yeah, huge.
Big old bottoms. Get your whole fist up there.
Mind if I fist your hole real quick?
Yeah, bro. That's what's there.
Holy fuck.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not lying.
Like a lot of clearance.
I can literally fit my
loose,
old
eh?
exhaust tip right inside.
This looks sick. They need to stick out this far so it looks like a wheelbarrow.
I just
He's gonna start it again. You just have multiple starts. So you said
push these way out.
13 hours?
Push the whole exhaust
13 hours?
13 hours altogether, yeah.
Did you start yesterday?
I started yesterday.
Yeah.
And then I had gotten the whole left side in and everything.
Yeah.
And then I was down to, so I got the heat shield off.
Yeah.
Yeah, all yesterday. And then on the driver's side this morning I was going to start.
Yeah.
So taking the header off, the second last bolt, my swivel snaps.
Oh,
so now
yeah.
I'm running around town looking for a swivel.
Yeah.
Right? Then I finally find a swivel at Princess Auto. I get back. Now I'm putting the new header in.
Yeah.
Second last bolt I'm putting in, or is like the last bolt that I was putting in.
Yeah.
It slips out of my hands and goes in between all the headers down to the collector.
Get out of here.
So now I gotta take the header back off.
No way.
To get this bolt
See,
out.
that's what happens when you don't pay attention, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The last bolt you said?
Last bolt.
Oh.
And then I was putting the mids in.
Yeah.
And the studs that they give you to go in between the two brackets.
Yeah.
It was literally like an inch short.
Yeah.
So it was just making it to the edges of the. You couldn't put any bolts on it.
Yeah.
Or nuts on it.